how to use Apple Pay when buying meme coins on Moonshot. So hey guys, and welcome back. And now in this video, I'll show you how to buy meme coins with Apple Pay on Moonshot. Now you're going to need to have Apple Pay configured and Moonshot app already downloaded. But with that said, click on the holdings and then go to the deposit button right here. Go ahead and click deposit. You can see that right here I already have the option, but if you don't see it, click it and then click Apple Pay. Minimum threshold or minimum amount for depositing is 20, so put 20 and then click swipe to deposit. It'll go ahead and send you to MoonPay, where you could pay with Apple Pay on there, and basically you'll have the funds to buy your meme coins. Once you have the funds, click whatever meme coin you want to buy. You can buy AI16Z, MLG, or whatever, or Bobcat sitting at 1 million market cap, but we're not going to talk about that in this video. With that said, I hope you found this video very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like right now, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you all for the next one.